You're watching Markets for You, a daily videocast that covers market news and shares trading signals from experts. I'm Andrew Whitelaw. First, the US dollar. USD was volatile last week, trading both directions versus its major currency rivals. This week, all attention goes to the Eurozone. Traders should be looking forward to hearing more news about the EU anti-crisis plan discussion, which had been delayed for Wednesday. Next, to the euro. The euro was pressured in the beginning of last week because of Moody's warnings and China's economic slowdown. Then sentiment towards the euro went back to positive as investors expected European leaders to reach an agreement on the EFSF expansion and banking sector recapitalization at the upcoming EU summit. As a result, the euro managed to appreciate against the dollar by the end of the session. Economic data to be released this week may pressure the 17-nation currency. Eurozone preliminary PMI indices for both manufacturing and service sectors are expected to show a decline in October, which indicates a possible GDP drop in the third quarter. The market will also be affected by the anti-crisis measures to be discussed on Wednesday. British pound. Of most importance this week will be the Consumer Confidence Index released by GfK, which is expected to stay unchanged. Current account data for the second quarter expected to have deficit narrowing and CBI industrial orders anticipated to arrive with some improvement as well. In other words, UK economic calendar looks to be supportive of the pound today, so the currency has an opportunity to continue its growth during this session. Japanese yen. Japanese yen traded within the narrow ranges. At the end of the week, it suddenly strengthened and hit its new high against the dollar at 75.80. The most significant economic data, trade balance figures for the month of September, have already been released in Japan today. The currency has good chances to continue the growth, although the market is now cautious over BOJ's possible intervention. And now the section you've been waiting for, market tips. Forex4you, in cooperation with Trading Central, one of the leading American financial advisors, provides you daily trading signals from experts of the field. If your pair is euro versus US dollar, our preference is to open long positions above 1.381 with targets at 1.3955 and 1.402 an extension. Below 1.381, look for further downside with 1.37 and 1.365 as targets. If you trade British pound against US dollar, we say open long positions above 1.585 with targets at 1.6005 and 1.605 an extension. Below 1.585, look for further downside with 1.575 and 1.568 as targets. If your pair is US dollar versus Japanese yen, our preference is to open short positions below 76.6 with targets at 76 and 75.8 an extension. Above 76.6, look for further upside with 76.8 and 76.95 as targets. Good luck and happy trading. Tune in tomorrow for the latest market news and trading tips. I'm Andrew Whitelaw. You've been watching Markets for You.